One must change one's tactics every 10 years if one wishes to maintain one's superiority, meaning being able to establish superiority and unipolar dominance and control and exploitation and manipulation as a government and as a leader in a particular society over a particular republic and people actually has never been easy for anyone to either achieve or to materialize and manifest, obviously because of one's own internal complications or lack of courage, confidence, character, or the inability to do corruption, criminality, violence, and manipulation, exploitation against his own subjects and peoples and citizens, or also because of psychic chaos and mental complexities and obviously emotional conflicts. And that's why not everyone is able to go to politics. Not anyone is able to become ultimately a powerful, influential, dominant, and insurmountable politician and authoritarian figure that just cannot be dethroned even by protests and rebellion and revolutions. So that's how it works. But the thing is, if we have come into power and if we have been able to retain that sort of power, influence, grave and exploitation and manipulation over the people or the subjects in the society, then we must actually also always try to continue moving forward with the same kind of tactics and strategies and methods of exploitation, manipulation, and diversion that we used to establish power and dominance over the people in the first place. And if we change our strategies every now and then, or obviously every moment, then we will not be able to hold on to that seat of power and that place of influence for very long periods of time. And that's how the dictators, communists, and authoritarian leaders all around the world have always thought about and worked and executed and performed. They never changed their effective strategies and powerful weapons and obviously exploitation, manipulation, and diversion and distraction purposes and ambitions that they always used to basically distract their subjects through a sudden bump of basically distribution of money, wealth, resources among the population, when in real time the constant corruption, chaos, conflict, injustice, inequality, unemployment, inflation, poverty, and all the other evils particularly continues against each and everyone in the society, particularly for the poor, backward, working class sections, and not always the upper class or the higher people in the society.